Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Corduroy Dreams on the ukulele. We'll start by learning the 4 essential chords that form the backbone of this beautiful song. These are C, a 7, D7, and G. Getting these chords down is your first step to playing the tune. Focus on clear notes and proper finger placement for each one. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A great starting point is a simple down, down, up pattern. This rhythm works well for many parts of the song. Begin by practicing this slowly, ensuring each strum is clear. Consistency is key, so try to keep a steady beat as you get comfortable with the motion. Now that you know the chords and a basic strum, the next step is to practice transitioning between them. Focus on moving from C to a 7, then to D7, and finally to G, making each change as smooth as possible. Don't rush. Accuracy over speed is important here. Using a metronome can significantly help you develop precise timing. You're now ready to put it all together and play Corduroy Dreams. Start by combining your learned chords with the strumming pattern. Pay attention to the song's structure, including the verse and chorus sections. Listening to the original track can help you capture the right feel and timing. Have fun playing this wonderful song on your ukulele.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.